Strange noises in the night. Last Friday night, Tom was home alone. His parents went to visit his grandparents, and Tom was happy to have the house to himself. He made popcorn, watched a scary movie, and stayed up late. At midnight, Tom heard a strange noise. Knock, knock, scratch, scratch. He froze. The sound came from the kitchen. Tom turned off the TV and listened. Knock, knock, scratch, scratch. His eyes grew wide. Is someone in the house? He whispered. He grabbed a flashlight and slowly walked to the kitchen. He didn't turn on the light because he didn't want the thing to see him first. The sound came again. Knock, knock, scratch, scratch. Tom's heart beat fast. He opened the kitchen door and shouted, "I have a flashlight and a spoon. I'm not afraid." But the kitchen was empty. Suddenly, the sound came again, this time from under the sink. Very slowly, Tom opened the cabinet. And then, a big, hairy thing jumped out. Tom screamed. The flashlight fell to the floor. He ran to his room, jumped into bed, and pulled the blanket over his head. Then, silence. After 10 minutes, he got brave. He went back to the kitchen with the lights on this time. The monster was there, sitting on the floor, licking peanut butter off a spoon. It was his neighbor's dog, Max. Max had come through the open back door looking for food. He found the peanut butter, made a mess, and knocked over some pots and pans. Tom laughed so hard he cried. The next morning, Tom told his parents everything. They laughed too. His dad said, "You were scared of a peanut butter-loving dog." Tom replied, "Well, I told the monster I had a spoon. I guess he wanted it."